where we have left. Now in this second part we will make the sky, we'll make the sun, and we'll get down into the sea, and the sky will also change its color. So for that, first name it as wave 1. For creating the sky, insert a new layer, hide and lock the wave. We don't need to work on it. Select your first keyframe, take the rectangle tool, and this time we will not take the solid color. Instead of that, we will take linear gradient. Choose your color, double click and take a lighter shade and draw your rectangle. I need to rotate it, so click on your gradient transform tool and rotate. After this, you want the sky to change its color, so insert a keyframe at 40th frame. And now again change the color. Take darker shades like this. Now you want your sun, so that is going to be on the next layer. Insert a new layer, name it as sun. Insert a keyframe at 40th frame. Create motion tween. Go to the last keyframe and change the position of sun. Bring it down. You can increase the size of the sun as it is setting down. Now I want to change the color, so go to color and tint. Choose a color and take this one. Now again just test this with Control Enter. RC waves are not there, so let's move the waves above like this, and again test Control Enter. This is how it is looking, but my last sky, my last scene is not, I'm not able to see it for long. So what I can do, I'll insert blank keyframes at 60th frame. So select all of them and insert blank keyframe, and again test this Control. Again, if you have any problem and doubt, you can give me your problems and doubt by writing in my comment box, and do watch my next tutorial for making the boat. Thank you.